Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can remove recommended songs on Spotify. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Spotify and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here, as you can see guys in the top, you're going to find all of your notifications. Right here, you're going to find your friend activity and here you're going to find your profile icon. Here in the left side of your screen, you're going to find all of the sections. So right here, you're going to find the home section. Here you're going to find search. And here you're going to find all of your playlists. You can expand your library if you want. So right now, as you can see, guys, if you go to the home section, here you're going to find made for you. So basically, guys, right here, you're going to find all of your recommended songs. If you go right here to the top right corner and click on your profile icon, right here, as you can see, guys, you can access your account. You can also go to your Spotify profile. You can upgrade to premium, start a private session. Right here, you're going to find the settings. And lastly, you can log out from here. So right now, I'm going to click on settings. So right here, you're going to find all of the settings related to Spotify. So here, you're going to find the language, explicit content, autoplay, audio quality. So right now, we're going to scroll down a little bit. Here, you're going to find library. So you can enable showing local files. I have it disabled. Here in display, as you can see, guys, you can show the non-playing panel on click of play. You can show desktop overlay when you're using media keys. And here you can see what your friends are playing. Here in social, as you can see, guys, you can publish your new playlist on your profile. You can start a private session. You can share your listening activity on Spotify, show you recently played artists on your public profile. You can show your follower and following lists. As you can see, guys, right here, there is no option to hide your recommended songs on Spotify. So the only way that you can do is maybe change your account and then you're gonna be on a new fresh account where you won't be finding your recommended songs. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.